In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block a website on Chrome in mobile. If you're trying to stay focused, protect your kids, or simply avoid a distracting site. Blocking it on your phone can really help. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through a simple way to do it using the Chrome browser on your mobile device. First, unlock your phone and open the Chrome app. This is the regular Google Chrome browser you use to search the web. Make sure you're on the main Chrome screen, not inside another app or a different browser. Next, in the search bar at the top, type in a phrase like, "How to block a website on Chrome in mobile," or simply, "Block website Chrome mobile," and tap the search button. This will bring up a list of helpful pages and tools designed for exactly this purpose. From the results, you'll typically see guides and links to apps or extensions that work with Chrome. Since Chrome on mobile doesn't have a built-in, one-tap website blocking feature like some desktop versions do, you'll usually rely on a helper app or your device's settings to get the job done. Look for a reputable solution in the results, such as a dedicated website blocking app or a step-by-step guide from a well-known tech site. Tap one of those results to open it. Take a moment to read the instructions on that page. Most guides will explain whether you need to install an app from the official App Store or adjust your phone's built-in content restrictions. If the guide recommends an app, tap the link to the App Store, install the app, and follow its on-screen setup steps. These apps often let you add specific URLs you want to block, schedule blocking times, and sometimes even protect the settings with a PIN so they can't be easily changed. Once you've set up your chosen method, switch back to Chrome and try visiting the website you wanted to block. If everything is configured correctly, you should either see an error, a blocked message, or the page simply won't load. If the site still opens, go back to the guide or the app's settings and double-check that you entered the correct website address and turned on the blocking feature. That's all there is to it. By using Chrome together with a reliable blocking method you found through that search, you can control access to distracting or inappropriate websites on your mobile device.